I pressed the button. Anyway, what I did, I just created a pocket to put our egg. What I did, I sliced the chicken down and then I just cut in this angle. Right? So sorry about that. I'll try and do another one. Right, so this is the pocket for our egg. I have a next piece of breast. I'm going to try and do it with that piece of breast. I baked this with the foil for 10 minutes. When I took it out, I added some cheese, then I added the egg, then I added more cheese, and then I finished it off with some Italian seasoning, some paprika, and I did sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on one, and I baked it for 20 more minutes, and that was the end of the process, of the cooking process. And enjoy. This thing was so moist and delicious. After the 20 minutes in the oven, this is what it looks like. Really healthy meal. You're getting a compact meal in one shot. So it's a good meal for the kids and for yourself, especially if you're on a healthy eating journey like I try to be every day. Sometimes we fail, but hey, we could whip this up. So let's play it. So I'm gonna put this on my plate and crack it open for my grandson. Oh my gosh, he enjoyed. And I got a nuggets recipe that I'm going to try, so look out for that recipe. So let's cut into this baby and let me show you what it looks like. The egg is still intact and it is full of flavor. So recap, we cut down the center, create a pocket, added the egg, then we added cheese, egg, more cheese, then some Italian seasoning, some paprika and a little bit of black pepper. Bake for 20 minutes.